A foreign spouse of a United States citizen or lawful permanent resident needs a spousal visa in order to come to the United States to live indefinitely. The exact step-by-step process for obtaining an immigrant spousal visa in Nevada depends on whether the sponsoring spouse is a United States citizen or a legal permanent resident, and whether the foreign spouse is currently in the United States or overseas. But in any case, the sponsoring spouse needs to submit to the U.S. government an I-130 application and an array of documentation including the marriage certificate, passport-style photos of both spouses, any supporting evidence that the marriage is legal, such as divorce decrees, death certificates, or proof of name changes, and 2 completed copies of G-325A forms, which is where you, the spouses, fill out their biographical information. If the U.S. government grants the immigrant spousal visa petition, the foreign spouse will have legal resident status and can therefore live in the United States. If the couple has been married for less than 2 years by that time, the foreign spouse will have only conditional green card status, but will have the opportunity to apply to remove the conditions whenever the conditional green card expires. Note that if the sponsoring spouse is a U.S. citizen, the foreign spouse can apply for a K-3 visa to live in the United States while the immigrant spousal visa application is pending. And if the couple has children, the sponsoring spouse can file separate I-130 forms for them when he or she initially files the spousal visa application. Otherwise, the kids might be able to get green cards later on through follow to join benefits. If you or your spouse is seeking legal permanent residence so you can live together in Nevada, call our experienced immigration attorneys at the Las Vegas Defense Group, 702 Defense, so we can get the process started right away.